Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on Help and Feedback. Then here you are. So here you can ask a new questions right here. Or better still, there are some default questions like request a refund, resolve a payment issue, can download apps, and track Google Play points, how parentals works. So these are all things that have been built by Gemini AI mode right here. You can go ahead and type whatever question right here, and Gemini is going to give you a quick response. You can say, how can I download premium apps, and send. And in a few seconds, you get your response based on your questions right here. So just a second, you have its details right here. So you can literally solve any Play Store issue with this Gemini AI right here in Google Play Store. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android devices and Play Store, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.